In today's news for you, the need to feel appreciated. Helen Harrison Coker is on the board of directors for the Palmetto Center for Women. And you are also one of the associate pastors at Saxagatha Presbyterian Church. So you see a lot of people, talk to them about their needs. The event that we're about to talk about is one to kind of show appreciation to those who work for you. Why is that so important for human beings?
Well, it's an age-old problem. In Proverbs, it says, an anxious heart weighs a man down, but a cheerful word lifts him up. And in our busy times, we just sometimes don't take the time to verbally express to people how much we appreciate them. And we are living in anxious times, not only just the Boston bombing, but as you just reported, the lockdown at White Knoll, the bomb threats, cancer, health issues, financial issues. Some signs are good, but other times there are anxious times, and we all need to know that we are appreciated, that the little things do make a difference.
And by saying that to those who work for you or that work beside you, that has got to increase productivity, I would think.
Yes, and just the general mood of the office. It's easier to work in a happy office, in a good mood office, rather than a stressful office.
And it's not only important to say that word, but you really point out to take the time to say it, because I think a lot of people have good intentions, but never follow through with it.
Right. We've gotten the habit, as I have, send us an email, thank you so much. But that age-old tradition of a handwritten note or phone call or sitting down and face-to-face with somebody, telling them how much you appreciate them and what they bring to the table, to the team, makes a big difference.
As a board member of Palmetto Center for Women, one of the events that the organization is offering is called Hats Off to Women. Let's go ahead and put it up on the screen so you can see it. It's a luncheon and fashion show. It's taking place this Wednesday from noon to 1:30. This is an opportunity for you to take your administrative assistant who keeps you in line to the Palmetto Club on Sumter Street and go to the Big Red Tent. I have all the details there. And Helen Harrison, it's really key too, I think, that a lot of times it's the admin assistants that make the people in the limelight shine.
Oh yes, our admin assistants are sometimes the first people our guests meet and the last people they make an impression on. And if they take care of all the details, that help us look good and keep the ship running upright.
Good. Well, I want to thank you now for being here as my guest. You did a great job. If you would like to see more of my interviews, all of them, in fact, this one on the Hats Off for Women event, join me on Twitter, Dondi WISTV, or my Facebook fan page. Click like at Dondi Mercer Plank WISTV. Thank you, HH.
Thank you.